keyboard replacement, and deep cleaning on Toshiba Portege Z30, a laptop. Thank you to Ma'am Tricia for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional shop for keyboard replacement and deep cleaning is a thoughtful and practical decision that ensures your device remains functional, efficient, and well-maintained for years to come. These two services work hand in hand to address both immediate performance issues and the long-term health of your laptop, making them a wise investment. Any user, a malfunctioning or worn-out keyboard can significantly disrupt your workflow, leading to frustration and inefficiency. Opting for a professional keyboard replacement resolves these issues by restoring smooth and responsive typing functionality. Professional technicians have the expertise to carefully handle delicate repairs, ensuring the process is carried out without damaging other components. They use high-quality, compatible replacement parts, guaranteeing durability and performance that meet or exceed the original specifications. Deep cleaning, on the other hand, focuses on the internal maintenance of your laptop. Over time, dust and debris accumulate inside the device, especially in critical areas like fans, vents, and heat sinks. This buildup can block airflow, leading to overheating, reduced performance, and potential hardware damage. The combination of keyboard replacement and deep cleaning not only improves immediate usability and performance, but also prevents potential future problems. A clean, well-maintained laptop is less prone to issues such as fan failure, overheating, or internal component damage. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Keyboard replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your keyboard replacement and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.